Maganda tayong lahat. Pagkabag tayo chance. Niya kami vlog. Nandito kami. At kami ay mag-bicycle today's video. Yun naman ang view. Grabe. Stunning. Oh. Ang lino ng tubig. Oh, hi Scott. Grabe yung view. Ang ganda. As in. Grabe. Ang ganda mga kamimay. Ibang level. So you have to do the bicycle today.
We don't have to, but it was just an idea, and so far I love it.
We should be swimming today, but
yeah, it felt so a little fresh this morning. I think, oh wow, it's perfect weather.
And look at your background, my God.
Yeah.
And you can have a lot of activity also here, like kayaking, balancing, everything. And then a lot of people everywhere. Kaiko. Some of the jet ski license, I don't know, parasailing, I don't know. What's this?
Yeah.
And so on. And they have there and the mountain view. Perfect. Let's drink first. Bago makamove, ang daming eksena ng jowa. Nagpunas ng ano, nag-inom, Diyos ko Lord. Sus Maria Josep. Ang jowa talaga. Oh, ang dami niyang achachuchu.
Chup chup.
Let's go.
Ja,
Lagong, Rustic. So much rustic.
Yeah.
Yeah, go. Another stop with my jowa. Ang gwapong-gwapong. Another stunning. Dami nagpapainit. Grabe. Buti na lang may fit spot dito. It's a lovely because they have a fit spot. But don't stop in the middle of the road. Because people, it's coming and coming. Ashtably. You stop over there. Like where I stop. Maybe a boom. No. Ashtably. This is a delicacy bread here in the bakery. Try the what we buy. Here the bakery. That's the bakery.
Like a plain bread?
Yeah. With the garlic, I think. Is warm?
No, not really warm. But...
Maganit lang siya. They have herb, I think butter.
Yeah, butter and like thyme or something. Thyme.
Let's make you salt the butter.
Yeah.
And the thyme. The butter makes you oily.
Yeah.
But still hot, but it's not crunchy.
But it's a good bread. Fresh.
Another stunning. Nice. That's perfectly nice. Yes. Perfect to come over here in Garda Riva Garda, Italia. Fresh air like us. Charot.
But you can choose. Here's going back to the hotel, and that's also going back.
how to get around.
I want to know you first. What's your experience? You tell in the camera.
Let's go.
Let's go. You don't want to tell? How's your experience?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Nice.
You like
Where
the
we
bike?
Go now? Here or the under?
Yeah, this is fine. I think then we go
This is
now. Go back to
this
the
is the
car.
look here.
Exactly. Okay. You say bye bye. What you say to your viewers?
Ciao.
Bella, you go 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 go
Ciao,
go 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 go.
Ang jowa ay nagsuswimming pa rin sa baba. Hindi na ako nag-swimming sa swimming pool. Ang lamig! Doon na lang ako nag-swimming mga kami sa sa lake. Masarap pa. After namin mag-bike, nag-swimming na kami. Doon din sa place na yun kaya hindi ko na binalag. Tingnan natin ang jowa. Kache! Hi! Yan eh. Ito ang swimming pool mga kami may nag-i-emote doon. Huwag natin siya isama sa photo. Nice cut.
Ti ho un po' preso la mano e ora sei quasi convinto che non può esistere un'isola che non c'è e a pensarci che pazzia.
Welcome back to my channel. Paalis na kami dito sa Garda. Yes, Vavai Garda. Garda Verdosa. Charot. Dito na kami sa car mga kami may. Hindi ko na vinlog ang aming pagpunta dito. Dahil kami ay paalis na. Traffic aid. Yan. So for traffic.
Yeah, but we need to check the sat nav later, huh?
Yeah. You can stop over somewhere. Then you can check the sub.
No, I checked the parkings in the Google, so you can.
Kailangan
Yeah,
kasi
get the
check
free
niyo
from
yung
there.
yung break kung saan kami pupunta. Pupunta tayo sa famous city in Italy which called Emelate. Charet, tumaba si kami may mama. Let's go. Wow, this is what I'm telling you. Go in a hill. Vavai Garda. We had fun. See you again. Bye-bye. Super traffic. Super traffic, yeah?
Yeah.
Parang one way lang ata ito. Hindi masyadong madaming daan. Bundok kasi day. Yan o, Tarboli. Doon tayo galing sa Tarboli. Tarboli. Paganorn. So far. Charot. Meron pala akong chika mga kami. Eto na nga. Hindi ko na nga muna binlog kasi baka ma-emelatek, mawala ang ating happiness. So, paalis na rin naman kami dito. Meron kaming nakasabay sa nung una sa sasakyan doon sa parking garage. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung garage namin kung saan kami nagstay. So ito si kuya, ang laki ng sasakyan niya, scuba at ang tawag doon. Ang laki ng sasakyan niya, pero nauna kami sa garage, sa parking. Ito kasi mahirap to mag-park, hindi to kasi ka expert sa parking mag-park. Sure, nauna kami. Ang hirap, ang space kasi ang liit. Ang laki ng sasakyan niya. Nag-wave na ako ng gano'n. Sabi ko, parang saglit lang. O ba si kuya dire-diretso. Gusto ata magbanggaan kami. Yun, nagtala. Tinalakan ko talaga siya dahil tumalak din. Sabi ba naman sa amin, porket scuba, sabi, only picanto. Something like that. Ay, di ganda. Ikaw na ang nakamamahaling sasakyan, pero wala kang manos, hindi ka nag-intay. Dapat mag-intay ka muna na kami makapark bago ka pumasok, o doon ka sa dulo sa laki ng sasakyan mo. Oh, Diyos ko, maganda nga ang sasakyan mo, pero ang mga nagdadrive naman, ugaling arogante, hindi pa rin maganda yon. At take note, kasama pa niya mga anak niya, di ba? Kaya good luck, nakita ng mga anak niya. Siyempre, dead ma lang, pero kahit na, kaloka talaga yung unang yung kadadating lang namin. Kasi nga mga pagod-pagod na, di ba? Mga one day din travel namin doon. Buti na lang, umalis na rin kami doon. So this is the opening remarks of Verona. Hindi kagandahan, charot. Siyempre, ibang city to. Abo, ang lakas ng tubig na agos. Kanal. Oh, the Verona. Let's see what we're gonna see here inside the Verona. Magpa-park kami sa ano, sa parking. Yes. Waiting kami. Punta kami sa parking, yung safety parking.
Yeah, let's see where we need to drive.
Ang daming ginagawa sa Verona. Nederlander. Oh, zoveel Nederlander. Welcome to Verona. There's a port.
Ja, dat is maar de stadspoort, hè, dit.
Was that?
De stadspoort.
City Gate. Yeah. Wow, it looks old, very old.
Ja, het is wel design hoor, dit.
This one looks new. This front of us. Welcome to Verona, mga kamimay. Nasa Verona naman po tayo. Yan. Slow down. Yes, Verona.
You need to look very good if it's...
Hahanap kami ng parking dahil kompleto na ang parking. Go to the right.
Ja, gaan we deze proberen.
Yeah.
Links afslaan en dan meteen weer linksaf.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's fine. It's a shortcut.
Nu links afslaan.
Links.
Oh, shit.
We're looking for the parking. We want this one, no? Inside.
Na 100 meter.
I hope we still not completo. Kasi gusto namin sa loob para safe ang ating Emalotec. Charot. Welcome to Verona. Dito na tayo pagkagaling natin dyan sa parking. So sunny. Hi Scott, Verona time.
Hey.
Welcome to Verona. First time ko dito sa Verona, Italy. I can imagine na dito ako sa Italy. Pangarap ko lang nung bata ako na makarating sa Italy kasi mga kapitbahay namin nagpupunta ng Italy. Ganyan! Again, your question?
What can you say about when you go holiday with me?
Oh, perfect.
I think in the front you never know where we're going.
Yeah. But you said to me that we will go to Verona, right? We will pass by the Verona.
Yeah, it's on our way, so do it.
Yeah. Verona. Did you also bring the SPF? The small one. Verona. Oh, Scott, be careful for the pickpocket. Verona. Let's go explore the city of Verona. Maganda naman pala sa sa city proper. Doon lang sa bungad. Verona. Oh, pak, ang gandaan. Veronese. Veronica. Where we are now?
I think in the
Piatra. Oh. This is Verona. Oh. Ang jowa, dire-diretso na naman, no? Non-stop na naman siya. Oh. Welcome to Verona, mga kamibi. Ang mga bus nila kakaiba. Ang lalaki ng kanilang mga Emelate. Oh, ang daming show, ang daming tourist. Nakaway ang jowa. Different city, different culture, and different different feelings. And this is Arena, Scott? Arena of before Langiraden. Yeah, Arena shop. Ayan o, sa front.
Last century.
Yeah. Coliseum.
They did not realize that it was
It was what?
like an acoustic diamond.
Oh,
Wow.
that's nice.
If you look at front and
What the perfect Verona. Oh, so moy Verona. Napakaganda. Wow, super Verona. Meron siya doong church. Ayan, oh, ang daming tao. Daming turista. Grabe. Napakadaming turista. As in. Let's go there.
hey, Lau is
Lower Whitetown. Napakaganda. As in. Malibaliw ka sa ganda. Ang Verona. Aba, may Louis Vuitton na here. Ayan, oh. Ganda sana sumaan. Daming pila doon, oh. Ang ganda sana sa loob. Mapila lang. Diyan, tayo pupunta. Kaso pila sa loob ng Coliseum. Tingnan nyo naman yung pila. Ang haba, mga kamime. Let's go. There. Inside. Hi, video. Tignan mo, may mga nagpe-paint. Aww. Sheriff. Punta tayo doon. Let's go. This is Verona. Ang jowa, hindi ko makita. Nagdire-diretso ata. Nasaan na ang jowa? Nawala na. Ayun, ayun. Verona. Casa Giovaneles Eclatec. We can go now there. Let's go. No, grabe. Yeah. Bogiti, Milano. Dami dito shopping area. Nasa shopping area tayo ng Verona. What? You can go to the terrace. Papunta tayo kay Romeo and Juliet. This the line? Kay the line over there. There's the line going to
oh, yeah, that's the balcony.
Romeo and Juliet. Can you imagine that kind of line? Naka-line na kami mga kamimay. Tignan nyo naman ang line. Diyos ko Lord. Ayan ang line. Papasok doon. Sovereign line. Sovereignty line. Sovereign line. Parang ayaw pa nga niya mag-line eh. Kaya nga kami punta dito. Gawa nito na. Hindi pwede. Bala siya. We are here now. Oh. Inside.
Yeah, look, there's Julia on the balcony.
Julia of Eclatec. Romeo and Juliet. Grabe ang pila talaga, oh. Yun yung balcony na yun. That's the real one. Oh, Romeo. Versus the reality. Expectations versus the reality. Ang daming vandalism, oh. Oh, about love, 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 love in the air. Scott, we go now here. You need a ticket. There's a statue of Juliet. This is the balcony of Romeo and Juliet. Oh, my Romeo! You are my Romeo! Romeo! Daming Romeo dito. Romeo! Yeah, there is free. Cassandra. Yeah, bago pa ni Kuya pa. Punta tayo sa taas. Maybe they have photo view. Cassandra is a free. Ah, you can drink here. You need to do a drinks, but we had a drinks already. This one. You need to do a drinks, but we had the drinks already. That's why. Yeah, Cassandra. Thank you. Thank you for the free. This is the plaza. Oh. I forgot to. Wow. And who is this? Napaka-busy ng Verona. Where's the... Naghanap siya ng pizza kung saan kami mag-snack. Pizza Hall. 5 euros cut. 12 euro. Ang jowa talagang nagmamadali. Oh, wow. Panalo dito sa gitna. Oh. Shopping. It look like market. Charot. With the line. Scott, nice view. This is the pizza. Oh, I like this one. Buongiorno.
70 euro.
Huh? 7 euro. You are in Italy.
Yeah.
How's the taste?
Lekker.
What's the name of this? It's insoletto.
Oh.
They have a ham inside. Blah blah blah. Diba?
De zucchini. Heerlijke tomaat.
Dito yan malapit sa Palazzo della Ravenna. Hindi ko alam. Yaman muna siyang kumain mga kanami. Gutom yarn. Gutom yarn.
Wat is gutom yarn?
No, it's a torre. Yeah.
Dat is ook mooi.
There's a Verona. Yeah. That you can go there inside also. Yeah?
Ga je wel dat brengen?
Where we can go?
Waar is dat, de basilica?
There's the basilica. Yeah, there. Here, Binin. Kijk. There, oh, the entrance. Let's go to Basilica. Hindi pa pala to yung Basilica. Ay, ang palot. Ang daming umiihi dito. Ang palot. Yeah. Everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Normal. Wow. You can come there, I'll picture you. This is Basilica.
Dit is ook nog een kathedraal.
Cathedral Basilica. Yeah. Nice. Oh. I will photo you there.
Oh ja, ja.
My entrance. Single ticket per euro. Oh. 4 euro. 4 euros, Kat. You want?
Ja, mag maar. Kom op, ik zal het video om te spelen zo.
If you want to skip the payment, you have a joystick for your camera.
Stick to it.
4 euro and 8 euro. Kalarki. Lahat may bayad. Ayan na. Nandito na tayo sa riverside ng Verona. Oh. Nasa ng jowa. The riverside. Have you take a photo?
Ja, kijk, I picture a bird.
Ay, wow.
Weet je niet?
Copacabana. Paakyat naman tayo. Scott, where we going now?
I want to check the price here.
Ah, you still hungry? Huh?
Klein beetje. Just curious, actually. Yeah, the same price on the
Focacceria. Pizza din again. Calorky. Focacceria. Focacceria. Wow. Lovely. You want more?
Zullen we doen een pesto of heb je zin in?
What pesto?
Pesto stracchino, leuk nog hoor.
Mandate qua ragazzi, olio patateria.
Patate. Where is the pesto?
Era una domanda.
Oh, daar.
No, ho detto magari c'era.
No, allora c'è portiamo via.
Ah, that's a pesto sashimi.
L'importante è se per favore.
Margarita. Cipolla.
Bravo, hai capito tutto.
Testing the mozzarella zucchini, yeah? Zucchini, vegetable. Dito yan sa Focacceria, malapit sa Riverside ng Verona. How's the taste? Oh, my taste buddy. Dandahan. Oh.
Fine.
Ito na yung bridge. Let's go. Makita natin ang daming tao. Grabe. Reality. Grabe. Bakit ang daming tao? Grabe ang bridge. Ang daming tao. Ang jowa non-stop kumain. Parang gutom na go. Are you hungry? You can finish if you want. There's too much eating. Oh wow. There's a bridge. Dito tayo sa cathedral mga kamimay. Sa Verona. Oh wow. Wawabi. Ang gandorn. Ang dami lang nakapark. Daming turista. Beautiful. Napakaganda ang joke non-stop kain dahil. Ayan siya. Verona Cathedral. Kaya let's go explore the cathedral. This is the entrance. You need to pay again for euro. Huh?
No.
That's the cathedral. And what's that? Oh, 4 euro. And arena. San Zeno. Doma Champagne. Anasta, this is where we've been. This ayun yung taas. Grabe. May bayad per euro. Pero sa pagkain, hindi siya nag-aano. Kalarke. Ang gawa. Bahala ka dyan. Ito yung front or side. I think if this is the front, yeah? Wow. This is a cathedral. Grabe. Oh, non-stop eating. This is the front of cathedral. Huwag na tayo pumasok. Oh, thank you, Verona. Thank you, Verona. Oh, wow, the cathedral. The front. That's nice. The front of cathedral. Yes. Pabalik na tayo mga kamimay. We will go back here. Because of the Sibrapat. Oh, papi. Chulo. Pabalik na tayo sa car. Where we go? Oh. City Gate. City of Verona. We go straight from here. Yeah? Deze straat. Underkant. Okay. Ay! Naiba ang aking sikmura. Uminom lang ako ng Coca-Cola. Hindi kasi ako nainom ng Coke eh. Yeah, it's lekker, yeah? I try it. Ininom niya ginger lemonade. Masarap.
Superb. That was the only lemonade. It's super lekker.
Oh, ek. So, pabalik na tayo. Go back to Colosseum, Scott. Ayan na oh. Pabalik na nga tayo. Cute naman nung nung kainan. May pa ganun.
E poi a mangiare in Aldesia e la sera dobbiamo andare da Bologna.
Oh, Colosseum. We go to the other side this morning. Daming turista. Art for the Colosseum. Daming turista, oh. Saan-saan pa din ng mundo. Ay, Scott. This one, oh. Wow, yeah, but pakainit. Uminit. Why? Yeah.
Let's go to the gate.
Same. Ang init sa daming tao, day. Pak. Thank you, Verona! Nandito na po kami sa sasakyan at papunta na tayo sa ibang destination. But before that, ang ganda ng Verona. Willing to come back. Yun nga lang, rush kami. Kaya medyo napagod kami magjowa. Ganon. Okay. Ay, bilog na naman ang aking mukha, mga kamimay. Bilog at nangitim na naman tayo. This is okay. It's vacation. Huwag kang umarte. Minsan lang ito.